In this hint and tip, we're having a look at the presenter view in PowerPoint. Once you've created your presentations, there's then a number of ways in which you can run them. You can do it via your function shortcut key, the F5 key. You can do it via the slideshow button down in the bottom right corner of your screen, or you can do it via the slideshow tab. Once you run your presentation, there is then two different views that you can see. There is a slideshow view and there's also a presenter view. And depending on how your setup is, if you just have the one screen, by default it will pick the slideshow view. However, if you have two screens, one screen, normally the one up on the wall or on a projector screen, will have the slideshow view, but then your laptop or desktop, which is plugged into this screen, will have the presenter view. I'm just going to go through this now with you. Now, normally I would actually demonstrate this. However, because I'm recording in PowerPoint as well, I can't actually run this presentation at the same time. So I've screenshotted what I was going to talk you through to show you here. So when you run your presentation, this is normally the screen you would see up on your screen. This is the slideshow view. Down at the bottom, you will have buttons that you can click on and do options through your presentation. You can also right-hand click and a pop-up window will come up with these options as well. Now on your second screen, your other one, will be this presenter view. So this view is to help the actual presenter in aiding them in carrying out their presentation. You'll see the slide that is up on the screen here, and then it gives you a bit of a summary. This is your notes, so whatever you typed in your notes section within PowerPoint will appear here for you. It then also tells you what the next slide is going to look like. You can swap, as you can see, using this display option at the top. In this display settings, you can duplicate slideshow. So if you just wanted that slideshow view on both screens, you can click on this option to duplicate it, or you can swap presenter view and slideshow between the screens if that is what you need. A useful feature in this mode is this option here. So here you can use this option to do pen, also if you need to annotate at all. But a lot of people do like using the laser point option. So if you don't actually have a laser point yourself to be able to point out things during your presentation, you can do it via PowerPoint itself. And finally, this last option here is where you can click on it for more options again. So whereas before you did a right-hand click on the slide, if you click on this button here with the three dots, it will give you some more options as well. So this presenter view, it just gives you more options that you can use to help aid you in carrying out your presentation within PowerPoint.